T, as the you, my friend. Am I dreaming right now?
It's too early to dream, my friend. It is really me.
It's been a long time, my friend. Where have you been?
I've been around, my friend. Even though now we only meet you because of work. Heard there's a lot of crime taking part in this place. So I'm here to clean the streets.
I heard there was a detective coming. I never thought it would be you, my friend.
It's really me, my friend. And I'll be around for a while. Tell me, the case about your wife's shooting. Tell me about it. And also, the kidnapping.
I don't want to go there, my friend. I don't want to go there.